Yeah man, good morning, good morning. You know a champion boy there again with the champion view, you know. You see it? Yeah man. Drop the food pan tree too, you know, cause everything there you see it. Yeah man. Camera, yeah run hot, but some are the best. You see it? Yeah man, see that dark the food pan tree. Show them what they do, you would. Blood clean. See it now? And this are the bad view. You know see it, see all the sun there peep. Yeah man, that are just the cloud up there, so you know. Oh clouds. The view are sick. Catch a bird them, you see them? Yeah man. See the sun there rise. Out to see it, you know. Yeah, man. You would have soon see a boat go to the sunrise. Yeah, man. Live now, make them see this sunrise. So, who never see all the Jamaican sunrise down the sea? See him come up, and him come up, you see that? Right out there, so the boat them come from, just no boat. The fruit tree again, I see it. Yeah man, you know what that there have, so. Alright, so have Breezes. Yeah man, a Breezes hotel that you look on out on the rock this, so. Yeah man. Every morning, so they can't find me. I said, I'm out.